Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to learn about functions from Unit 3. Okay. So, what is function? It is a mapping in which every element of set A is uniquely associated at the element with set B. The set of A is called domain of a function and set of B is called codomain. So, what is a function? When we say that function, it is a mapping in which every element of A is uniquely associated at the element with the set B. So here A and B are two sets. There is a mapping between A and B, that is F. So every element of A is connected with element with B. So every element of A, so 1 is connected with B, 2 is connected with A, 3 is connected with C, 4 is connected with D, and 5 is connected with E. So every element of A is associated or connected with element of B. Then we say that F is a function. So here A is domain and B is codomain of a function. Here A is domain and B is codomain of a function. Okay. So next, not function example. So in this example, there is a mapping from two sets. So domain having elements 1, 2, 3 and codomain having elements alpha, beta, gamma. So this is not a function because the domain, the element 3 from the domain has not related to any element in the set codomain. Okay, the element of domain is not associated with element in codomain, so it is not a function. So what is the definition for function? Every element of a domain has image in codomain. Okay, image in codomain. So in this example 3 has no image in codomain, so that's why this is not a function. Consider second example. Here domain having elements 1, 2, 3 and codomain A, D, B, C. Okay, so here in this 3, 1 is associated with A, 2 is associated with D, and but 3 is associated with B comma C. So 3 has more images. That's why this is not an example for function. Okay, so what is the condition for function? Every element of a domain has image in codomain. Every element of a domain has an unique image in codomain. Then the mapping F is called a function. Okay, next, domain, codomain and range of a function. So domain of a function, let F be a function from P to Q. The set P is called the domain of the function F. So codomain of a function, let F be a function from P to Q. The set Q is called codomain of a function F. So in a mapping, F be a function from P to Q. The set P is called domain and the set Q is called codomain. Okay. So range of a function. The range of a function is the set of picture of its domain, set of picture of its domain. Okay. In other words, we can say it is a subset of its codomain. It is denoted as domain. So for example, range of a function. So the range of a function is the set of its picture of its domain. In other words, we can say it is a subset of its codomain. Subset of its codomain. It is denoted as F. So here, if F maps P to Q, if F maps P to Q, then F of P is equal to F of X, such that here X belongs to P and Y belongs to Q. There exists X belongs to P, such that F of X is equal to Y. F of X is equal to Y means the image of element of P is equal to Y. F of X is equal to Y. This is the condition for function. Let us consider an example. Find the domain, codomain and range of the function. So given, let X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and Y is equal to A, B, C, D, E. So F given mapping for these two sets, 1 comma B, 2 comma A, 3 comma D, 4 comma C. First we draw a picture, Venn diagram. So X having elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and Y having elements A, B, C, D, E. So there is a mapping from 1 to B and 2 to A, 3 to D, 4 to C. Okay. So in this mapping, what is the domain of given function? So X is the domain and Y is the codomain, and what is the range, the subset of domain. So here domain of a function 1, 2, 3, 4. Range of the function, the related elements of X. So 1 to A, 2 to B, 3 to C, 4 to D. So A, B, C, D. This is called range of the set X. Okay, range of the function A, B, C, D. Up to this we called it as range of the given function. So range of the function A comma B comma C comma D. Okay. So codomain of the function. So codomain containing the elements A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So domain of a function 1, 2, 3, 4 and codomain A, B, C, D, E and range of the function, range is A, B, C, D. Okay. Next, representation of a function. Representation of a function. The two sets P and Q are represented by two circles. The two circles So representation of a function. The two sets P and Q are represented by two circles. The function f maps P to Q is represented by a collection of arrows joining the points which represent the elements of P and corresponding elements of Q. So here P and Q are two sets, and we represent these given sets by circles. The function f maps P to Q we represent with arrows, collection of arrows joining the points which represent the elements of domain and the elements of codomain, corresponding elements of codomain. Okay, so let us consider an example. Let x is equal to a, b, c and y is equal to x, y, z. So here x and y are given two sets and the mapping between x and y. So here f maps x to y such that f is equal to a comma x, b comma z, c comma x. So then f can be represented diagrammatically as follows. So first we represent given two sets by two circles. So here x and y, and x set containing the elements a, b, c and y set containing the elements x, y, z. After that we represent arrows by joining the points. So here the function a to x. So a to x, a is associated with x and b is associated with z and c is associated with x. Okay, so a is associated with x and b is connected by to z and c is connected to x. This is graphical representation of a function. So here x is domain and y is codomain. In this diagram, what is the range? So x, y, x, z. X, z is the range of a given function. Okay. So here domain having elements a, b, c and codomain having elements x, y, z, and range of the function is x, z. X comma z. Okay. So next example, let x is equal to x, y, z, comma k and y is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Determine which of the following functions give reasons if it is not. Find range if it is a function. Okay. So first one, the mapping f is equal to x comma 1, y comma 2, z comma 3, k comma 4. So in this function, domain having elements x, y, z, k. Okay. Codomain having elements 1, 2, 3, 4. So every element of domain x, y, z, k having image in codomain. So x have image 1, y have image 2 and z have image 3 and k have image 4. So it is a function and range of f is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And next one, g is equal to x comma 1, y comma 1, k comma 4. So x related to 1, y related to 1, k related to 4. But in this example, in this mapping, domain having elements x, y, z, k. But here domain elements are x, y, k. So z doesn't have image in codomain. So it is not a function because every element of x domain does not relate with some element of y. That is, here z is not related with any element of y. Z is not related with any element of y. So what is the definition for function? Every element of domain associated uniquely with element of codomain. So in this example, in this mapping, the element of domain, that is Z, is not related to any element of Y. So it is not a function. Okay. So next one, h is equal to x comma 1, x comma 2, x comma 3, x comma 4. So here x, the domain x, y, z, k, here no x related to more than one image. So x related to 1, x related to 2, x related to 3, x related to 4. So x related to x has more than one image in y. So it is not a example for function. So h is not a function because h of x is equal to the images 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, element x has more than one image in set y. More than one image in set y. So D is not a function. D, x comma 1, y comma 2, y comma 3, z comma 4, z comma 4. So here also y have more than one image. So y having image 2 and y having image 3. So D is not a function because D of y having images 2 comma 3. So that is, element y has more than one image in the set y. So D is also not a function. Okay. So the given function has every element of domain has unique image in codomain, then we say that f is a function. Okay. So next topic, types of functions. Types of functions. First one, injective. So one-to-one functions, injective or one-to-one functions. So a function in which one element of domain set is connected to one element of codomain set. So a function in which one element of domain set is connected to one element of codomain set. So A is connected to 4, B is connected to 5, C is connected to 2, D is connected to 6. So every element of A is connected to one element of codomain. Okay. It is example for one-to-one function. And in second diagram, A is connected to 1, B is connected to 2, C is connected to 3. So every element of A is connected to one element of codomain set. This is one-to-one function. Okay. Second one, surjective or onto functions. Surjective or onto functions. A function in which every element of codomain set. A function in which every element of codomain set has one pre-image. One pre-image. So second definition, surjective. A function in which every element of codomain set has one pre-image in domain. One pre-image in domain. Okay. So what is onto? Every element of codomain. Every element of codomain has pre-image in domain. Then we say that the given function is onto or surjective. So every element of codomain has a pre-image in domain set. Then we say that the given function is onto. In an onto function, range is equal to codomain. Range is equal to codomain because every element of codomain has image in A. So that's why in an onto function, range is equal to codomain. Okay. So consider A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to A comma B comma C, and defining mapping F maps 1 comma B, 2 comma A, 3 comma C, 4 comma C. Okay, it is a surjective as every element of B is the image of some A. So here the defining function, the given two sets, A having elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and B having elements A, B, C. So here the codomain element, so 1 is related to B and 2 is related to A, 3 is related to C and 4 is related to C. So the codomain elements A, B, C have pre-image in A. Okay. So A 2 to A, B 1, C to 3. Okay. So every element of codomain has pre-image in domain. Then we say that given function is onto. Next definition, bisective or one-to-one onto functions. Bisective or one-to-one onto functions. So one-to-one means every element of A has an image in codomain. Okay. So onto means every element of codomain has pre-image in domain. So both a function which is both injective and surjective. So one to one and on to is called bisective. A function which is both injective means one to one and surjective means on to is called bisective. So what is injective property? So every element of domain has related to one element in codomain. So what is onto? Every element of codomain has pre-image in domain. So which is both injective and surjective is called bijective. A function which is both injective and surjective is called bisective. Okay. So example, consider P is equal to X comma Y comma Z. So here P and Q are two sets. P having elements X, Y, Z and Q, A, B, C and F defining a mapping from P to Q such that F is equal to X comma A, Y comma B, Z comma C. So X is related to A and Y is related to B and Z is related to C. Okay. So F is one-to-one function and also it is onto. So it is a bijective function. This is example and for bijective. Next one, into functions. Into functions. So a function in which there must be an element of codomain Y does not have a pre-image in domain X. So here what is into? An element of codomain does not have pre-image in domain, then that function is called into functions. So an element of codomain does not have pre-image in domain, does not have pre-image in domain is called into function. That function is called into function. So consider an example. Here A and B are given sets. So A having elements A, B, C, B having 1, 2, 3, 4 and define a mapping F maps A to B such that A to 1, B to 2, C to 3. So A related to 1, B related to 2, C related to 3. We draw a diagram. So A, B represented by circles. So A having elements A, B, C and B 1, 2, 3, 4. So A related to 1, B related to 2, C related to 3. So in this example, the element of codomain that is 4, the element of codomain that is 4 does not have an image in domain, does not have a pre-image. a pre-image in A. So this type of functions is called into functions. Okay. So if the function f, the range is 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what is the range of this example? So A related to 1, B is related to 2, C related to 3. So 1, 2, 3. This is the range of given function. So the range does not equal to codomain of Y. Simply say that the range of domain not equal to codomain. Therefore, it is a into function. It is an into function. So what is an into function? An element of codomain doesn't have pre-image in domain. Doesn't have pre-image in domain. That type of function is called into function. Okay. Next, one-to-one into functions. One-to-one into functions. So let f maps x to y is a function. The function f is called one-to-one into function if different elements of x have different unique images of y. Different elements of x have different unique images of y. So here let us consider an example. The set x having elements k, l, m, y having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and defining mapping from x to y, f maps x to y such that the function k to 1, l to 3, m to 4. Here domain set is k, l, m. Codomain elements are 1, 3, 4. So into means an element of codomain doesn't have pre-image. Okay. So in that one-to-one into means different elements of x have different unique images of y. So here x have image 1, so L have image 3 and M have image 4. So the different elements have different images and it is an into function. So that type of function is called one-to-one into function. One-to-one into functions. Okay. Next, many to one function. Many to one functions. So let f maps x to y. The function f is a said to be many to one functions if there exist two or more than two different elements in x having the same image in y. Two or more elements in x. X means domain set. Two or more elements in domain having the same image in codomain. Same image in codomain. The type of function is called many to one functions. The type of function is called many to one function. So consider an example. The given sets x and y, x having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, y having elements x, y, z, and the map f maps x to y such that f is equal to 1 comma x, 2 to x, 3 to x, 4 to y, 5 to z. So in this mapping, so 1, 2, 3, so different elements, two or more, two different elements in domain having same image in codomain. That element is x. So the representation of diagram, so x, y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, x, y, z. So the domain elements 1, 2, 3. These three different elements has same image in codomain. Same image x in codomain. This type of functions is called many to one functions. This type of functions is called many to one function. So here in this example, so the domain having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is domain and codomain having elements x, y, z. So different elements of domain 1, 2, 3. Different elements of domain 1, 2, 3 has image in codomain unique image, same image in codomain, that is X. So this type of functions is called many to one functions. Many to one functions. Next definition, many to one into functions. So into functions means the element of codomain doesn't have pre-image in domain. So many to one means, what is that many to one? Any element of domain has same image in codomain. Okay. So let f be a function, f maps x to y. The function f is called the many to one function if and only if many to one into function. Many to one into function if and only if it is both many to one and into function. Many to one and into function. So in this example, it satisfies into function because an element of codomain doesn't have pre-image in domain. So it is into. And many to one, the elements of different elements of domain has same image in codomain, that is many to one function. So many to one and into, that's why this function is called many to one into function. So here the example, consider x is equal to abc, y is equal to 1 to, and f maps from x to y such that f is equal to a related to 1, b related to 1, c related to 1. So the diagram representation is xy are given sets, and a having elements a b c and y having elements 1 2. Okay, so in this mapping it satisfies both many to one and into. So what is many to one? Different elements of domain has same image in codomain, that is many to one. And what is into? An element of codomain does not have pre-image in domain, does not have pre-image in domain. So a function f is a many to one and into, so it is a many to one into function. So it is a many to one into function. Okay, so many to one onto function. Many to one onto function. Onto means every element of codomain has pre-image in domain. Every element of codomain has pre-image in domain. So many to one means every different elements of domain has same image in codomain. So here the definition, the function f is called many to one onto function if and only if it is both many to one and onto. So in this example, x is equal to 1 2 3 4, y is equal to k comma l, and the mapping f maps x to y such that f is equal to 1 comma k, 2 comma k, 3 comma l, 4 comma l. So 1 related to k, 2 related to k. So here 1 2 are different elements but their image is same. So 3 4 are different elements but their image is the same. So from this we say that it is many to one. And K and L are elements of codomain. So K has pre-image in domain and L has pre-image in domain. So KL is codomain elements. So K has image in domain and L has image in domain. So this function satisfies both many to one and onto. So the given function is many to one onto function. So this is the explanation for given function. The function f is a many to one as the two elements have the same image in y. So two elements 1 2 having same image in y, that is k. 3 comma 4 different elements have same image in codomain, that is L. Okay, this is many to one function. And every element of the codomain k comma l has pre-image in domain, that is k related, k has pre-image in 1 and k has pre-image 2, and that means f of 1 f of 2 is equal to k. So f of 3 f is equal to f of 4 is equal to l. So this is the example for many to one onto function. Okay, next definition, identity function. Identity function. So the function f is called, the function f is called the identity function if each element of set A has an image on itself, an image on itself. So condition is f of A is equal to A. Here the image of A has same image, f of A is equal to A. So the element of set A has an image on itself is called identity function. It is denoted by f of I. It is denoted by I. Identity function is denoted by I. Okay. So f of A is equal to A for all A belongs to A. So for example, consider the domain set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and codomain is also A to A, such that the mapping 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5. An image on itself. So one has an image itself 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3, 3, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5. Okay. The function f is an identity function as each element of A is mapped onto itself. The function f is a 1 1 and onto. So 1 1 means every element of A has image in B. Onto means every element of codomain has pre-image in domain. So this is identity function. So 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5. Okay. Next definition, invertible or inverse functions. Invertible or inverse functions. Okay, so a function f maps x to y is invertible if and only if it is a bijective function. Bijective means it satisfies 1 to 1 and on to. Okay, so consider the bijective 1 to 1 and on to function f maps x to y. As f is a 1 to 1, therefore each element of x corresponds to a distinct element of y. Distinct means different element of y. So 1 to 1 condition means, condition, what is the condition for 1 to 1? Every element of domain has distinct image in codomain. So as f is on to, if there is no element of y which is not the image of any element of x, means every element of codomain has pre-image in domain. So range is equal to codomain y. So range is equal to codomain y. When we say that range is equal to codomain, that is in onto. Okay, so every element of A has different image in codomain and every element of codomain has pre-image in domain. So the inverse function for f exists if f inverse is a function from y to x. F inverse is a function from y to x. So let us consider an example. So x having elements 1, 2, 3, y, k, l, m, n, k, l, m, and f maps x to y such that 1 to k, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. So the given mapping is represent like this. So x is domain and y is codomain. So 1 maps to k, 2 maps to m, 3 maps to l. This is given function. The inverse function of this function is domain becomes KLM y to x. Domain and codomain will be changed. So y to x. So KLM 1, 2, 3. So then the mapping F inverse is equal to K comma 1, M comma 2, L comma 3. So K maps to 1, L maps to 3, M maps to 2. This is representation for inverse function. Okay, so f maps x to y, the inverse function of f maps x to y is f inverse is equal to y to x. F inverse is equal to y to x. Okay, thank you.